As per the most recent long-haul estimate, Chilliz cost will hit $0.2 by the center of 2024 and afterward $1.4 toward the finish of 2025. Chilliz will ascend to $0.5 inside the extended time of 2027, $0.7 in 2031 and $1 in 2035. Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.184 and 71, so the cost expanded by 69% from the very start of the year. The estimated Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.41 and the year-to-year change plus 371%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 179%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.30 per 1 Chilliz. In the principal half of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $1.48. In the last part, the cost would add $0.02 and close the year at $1.50, which is plus 240% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $1.50 to $1.77, which is up 54%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $1.50, then take off to $1.53 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.55. That implies plus 274% from today. Chilliz expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $0.77 to $0.96, which is plus 25%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $0.77, then, at that point, take off to $0.82 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $0.81. It is about plus 451% from today. 3s or 1-2s into 4. Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.167, so the cost expanded by 92% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.47, and the year-to-year change plus 440%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 182%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.34 per 1 Chilliz. In the principal half of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $0.55. In the last part, the cost would add $0.03 and close the year at $0.58, which is plus 248% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $0.58 to $0.91, which is up 57%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $0.58, then take off to $0.61 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.64. That implies plus 284% from today. Chilliz expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $0.91 to $1.15, which is plus 26%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $0.91. Then take off to $0.97 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $0.96. It is about plus 476% from today. So 2152s into 4. Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.64, so the cost expanded by 22% from the outset of the year. The determined Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $23, and the year-to-year change plus 164%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 116%. In 2024, we hope to see $18 per 1 Chilliz. In the principal half of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $25. In the last part, the cost would add $01 and close the year at $26, which is plus 144% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $26 to $46, which is up 77%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $26, then take off to $29 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $28. That implies plus 163% from today. Chilliz expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $46 to $74, which is plus 61%. Chiliz will begin 2031 at $1.46, then, at that point, take off to $1.49 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.52. It is about plus 389% from today. Z201224. Chiliz value forecast 2024-2025. Chiliz cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chiliz exchanged at $0.985, so the cost expanded by 13% from the start of the year. The estimated Chiliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $20.77, and the year-to-year change plus 139%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 111%. In 2024, we hope to see $125.91 per 1 Chiliz. In the principal half of 2025, the Chiliz cost will move to $22.95. In the final part, the cost would add $0.0116 and close the year at $411, which is plus 145% to the ongoing cost. Chiliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chiliz cost would move from $24.11 to $40.44, which is up 68%. Chiliz will begin 2026 at $2411, then take off to $653 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $2554. That implies plus 159% from today. Chiliz expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Chiliz cost would ascend from $40.44 to $16.99, which is plus 53%. Chiliz will begin 2031 at $40.44, then take off to $42.87 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $45.28. It is about plus 360% from today. 01152 Chiliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chiliz cost began in 2024 at $0.870. Today, Chiliz exchanged at $0.854, so the cost diminished by 2% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Chiliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $20.99 and the year-to-year change plus 26%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 29%. In 2024, we hope to see $936 per 1 Chiliz. In the primary portion of 2025, the Chiliz cost will move to $1.54. In the last part, the cost would add $62 and close the year at $1.16, which is plus 42% to the ongoing cost. Chiliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chiliz cost would move from $1.1216 to $1.2876, which is up 54%. Chiliz will begin 2026 at $1.22